going to make crispy double chocolate chip cookies. We're adding a small twist by using chocolate syrup in this crunchy version of chocolate chip cookies. This is a request from my little brother who is craving cookies. First, let's preheat the oven. In a large bowl, combine melted butter, white sugar, brown sugar, and chocolate syrup. Using an electric mixer, beat them for 4 to 6 minutes until the color becomes lighter and the texture smoother. Then add the egg, milk, and banana and continue to beat for another 2 minutes until very well combined. Add the flour, baking soda, and salt and mix until just starting to combine. Switch to a spatula and gently mix everything together. Being careful not to overmix. Stir in the chocolate chips. Using an ice cream scoop, drop balls of dough onto the prepared baking sheet, spacing them at least 2 inches apart. Bake for 12 minutes. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool for another 10 minutes. Now let's taste the cookies. The cookies are super crunchy, and you can taste the double chocolate chips melting in your mouth with each bite. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time!